Today I'm going to be reviewing Wild Organic Beetroot Extract Drops, 8,000 milligrams fresh beetroot extract. I want to thank Wild Organic for sending this to me to review. I just got this in, shook it up. You got to shake it up. It comes with a little dropper here. You fill that. This is what it looks like. Nothing special there. Tried it. It's palatable. I will not say delicious. But people must like it. It is an Amazon choice. It does get 4.6 stars, 357 ratings. And last month, 1,000 of these were bought. So people are buying them. I'm sure you already know all the stuff that beetroot can do or what they say it can do. What's nice, it's vegan. It is sugar-free. And that's what a lot of people want. Glycerin-free, all of that. Really high absorption rate. They claim 98% right there. It's a 4-ounce bottle. They have a smaller bottle if you want to give it a try. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.